What is up, Copy Squad? Today we're going to address a reader question. This was an email that I received. Okay, so here's the email. Hi Kyle, absolutely love your videos, learning a lot. You always talk about the big four, NESB, new, easy, safe, and big. What about other emotions like fear? You've mentioned FOMO, but there's other types of fear. There's also anger, sadness, joy, interest, surprise, disgust, and shame. Okay, so those are like other emotions. I want to wrap my answer in this one line, and the line is, if you do the big things, the little things will take care of themselves. I think it kind of comes down to, like, this is one of those questions that the first thing I thought of was like this basketball dribbling analogy. When you learn to dribble a basketball for the first time, or say you know how to dribble and you're trying to learn with your left hand now. When you first start dribbling with offhand, or you're dribbling for the first time, you're going to pay attention to everything. The way your fingers touch the ball, what part of your fingers the ball hit. Should it hit my fingertips? Should it hit my knuckles? Should it hit my palm? Should I hold it like this or like that? And you're going to pay attention to all those little mechanics, or little fundamentals, right? And I think that's part of like the kind of like the learning curve until you kind of start going, right? Like when you're first riding a bicycle, you're going to pay attention to a lot of little small things. But I think the reality is, if you just take care of the big things, all right, and that'd be the big four emotions, the little things will take care of themselves. So think about where your prospect is when they get to a sales letter, right? Anyone who lands on a sales page for pretty much any product is already frustrated. To some degree. They might not be like flipping over tables at their house and screaming at their spouses. It's a rhyme. But then they might not be kicking their dog across the room, but they're frustrated, right? If I want a new mail client, right? Say like MailChimp won't allow me to do XYZ, or so I can't segment the way I want to segment. I'm frustrated, right? I'm frustrated. I have a problem. I'm disappointed that I cannot do this thing, right? So if you can show me a brand new way that I've never experienced before to serve my email list better, where I can segment and I can schedule and I can do this and I can do that, and then I can only get it through this client, right? You've kind of already hit on some of those things. Like, forget the frustrations of no longer being able to segment. You can do that here with this new system. And guess what? We're the only guys doing it. That's our proprietary software. Get it from us, right? It's 100% secure. Don't worry about getting all your information stolen. So I just covered safe. Know that we have a 99.9% uptime, predictable, right? So there's kind of like, I gave it some statistics. It's easy. We have a drag and drop display in software, so you don't have to worry about coding or worry about this. So I'm addressing, every time I hit one of the big four emotions, I'm covering those other frustrations, those angers, that disappointment that they were experiencing with the alternative solution before they came to me. But yeah, people buy stuff to solve problems, right? Anyone who lands on like and it's really easy for me as a financial copywriter to say, this person wants to make money, right? So that's like, all I have to do is tell them, hey man, you've had struggles making money. It's been frustrating for you in the past. Well, guess what? I've got this new thing you can only get from me. It's so easy that anybody can do it, and it's 99% accurate. Look what happened in the past before. We've got like these 5 different case studies. We've got testimonials, and they made like $10,000 overnight. I just covered new, easy, safe, and big in that little blurb, right? And at the same time, I also address all their fears and frustrations. So I think, again, if you do the big things, the little things will take care of themselves. All right, I'm out of here. Peace out, Copy Squad.